This is not just another town in Tamil Nadu. This is Arunachala, where a hill is not a hill but Shiva himself. The first breath here already feels so different. Incense, dust, chants, and the mountain watching over everything. The Annamalayar Temple, where every step feels like walking into 1,000 years of devotion. Thiruvannamalai is not a destination, it's a calling. You don't visit Arunachala, Arunachala calls you. Four grand gateways open the heart of the shrine, but it is the eastern Rajagopuram standing the tallest. Its granite base, wide as a mountain fort, that calls to the pilgrim.
The queue has already started for the darshanam. They open at 5:30. 2 more minutes to go. So, yeah, this is the local ritual. You light a diya and break a coconut for Arunachala there. Meet the Arunachala and the Arunachala mountain right at the back. Wow, what a beauty! What a beauty!
Here, the Chola kings left their timeless signature in the 9th century, raising gopurams that scraped the sky, while the Pallavas before them had whispered their devotion from Kanchipuram's seat of power.
I promised Arun meets Arunachala, and Arunachala has no option but to meet you. Say hi to Arunachala.
In every ripple, the mountain whispers, "You and I are not two." The temple is not just a spread of stones, but of silence and eternity. It breathes over a massive 25 acres, and its walls stretching like an embrace, 700 feet to the east, 1590 to the north, and almost 1500 to the south. A corridor of timeless chants where every step echoes a prayer carved into stones that's centuries old. The 360 Tirthakund, the hidden mirrors of the mountain, where every drop is a flame of Shiva and every ripple a whisper of eternity.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Here, even time slows down. Free darshan may take 2 to 3 hours, while a 50 rupee ticket could save maybe 30 minutes. But can devotion even be measured in minutes? Personally, I'm against VIP culture. Grace should be equal, not divided by VIP likes. The 1000 Pillar Mahal. Inscriptions of faith that's carved into stone still talk silence, becoming a prayer, and then prayer becoming Shiva himself. Beneath the raised hall lies the Pathala Lingam shrine, the womb of silence, where young Ramana sat in stillness so deep, even when ants tried to eat into his flesh, they were very unlucky, found no resistance, and left him untouched. Facing the dawn to the east, Annamalayar Sanctum opens to the first light, guarded by Nandi and blessed by Surya. Adhikara Nandi. Just a step inside, just a glimpse ahead, and the heart already knows it has arrived, and the soul melts into bliss. The divine is never alone. The Sanctum whispers eternal union. If the stillness of Shiva here is Annamalai, meet his consort, the flow of Shakti, Unnamulai Ammai, the grace that heals the flame.
So just got done with the darshanam. It's kind of at least 2.5 hours on a regular day. That's in case if you start at 5:30 a.m. I guess. I kind of started at 5:40 and it's about 8:15. So yeah, about 2.5 hours for darshanam, which the guys here say it's a less crowd thing. So possibility, if it is kind of on a crowded day, then a Tuesday, kind of what I landed, then maybe expect 3-4 hours of maybe some stuff. So just finished the darshanam, so let me sit down for a mantra chanting. Let me do a meditation session as well. Though I'm kind of very hungry and want to go looking for food, but going and coming back again to the temple is going to be the pain. So how much of time I can spend here, let me do that. Because again, what do you say? Yeah, there's a lot of expenditure again if you have to come. You have to put in your baggage and stuff, so why?
Paid prasadam is available within the temple premises, usually between 20 to 40 rupees. The menu changes daily, so each visit may bring a new taste of tradition.
Har Har Mahadev, Arunachala. Finally made it. The calling and approval to even enter the place happened after 38 years. So cool, so proud. A beautiful meditation session, vibration, and I'm all pumped. My hunger and all is gone, like full charged. I was very sleepy, full charged I am right now. Just amazing. So we are just exiting after the darshanam. So there it is, Arunachala for you. So we're just exiting out, and just in case, since darshanam and things are kind of longer, so if you're expecting to at least figure out if there are toilets inside the complex, yes, there are ample toilets inside the complex. So in case if it pressures up, no worries. And I kind of finished Girivalam. It took me 4 hours to finish 14 kilometers of a hike. And about Girivalam, let me tell you, don't kind of be a fool like me. I kind of started Girivalam at 1:30 a.m. So according to my observation, I would say anywhere between 4:30 or 5 a.m. is a good start for Girivalam, in case if you're planning for Girivalam. All right, because in case if you're just looking to finish the circuit, 3.5 hours or 4 hours is good enough. But when I went on the Girivalam route is what I kind of explored. It's just not about the 8 Lingams. There's a lot of other temples, ashram places, and quite a lot of stuff that I need to figure out going about exploring. Once the sun is out, the sun is also out, but kind of ripped out from every part. So we'll figure out something. And yeah, a good start time would be around that time. Keep about say 5.5 hours for your exploration on the Girivalam, and say about 3 hours to 4 hours wait time for the darshanam, pretty much. And we'll be talking from the Girivalam when we do the Girivalam, because I really wanted to go again just to show you guys what Girivalam is. So technically we'll be walking or hiking 28 kilometers in total for the day. So I'll see you there.